Hi YouTube, welcome to GoAndroidApps.com YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review the new Intex Aqua Power 2 smartphone. Guys, if you are planning to purchase it, then I highly recommend you to watch this video to know its specification, feature and price. So guys, let's roll this video. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, the new Intex Aqua 2 smartphone comes with a 5-inch of display. It has 1.3 GHz of processor. It comes with 5 megapixel of rear camera with LED flash. As per the front camera is concerned, it comes with 2 megapixel of front facing camera for video calling. It has a resolution capability of 720 into 1280 pixels. Guys, if you love to play games like Subway Surfer and Android game, then I must say this smartphone works for you. It comes with 1 GB of incredible RAM and it works great with no major hanging issue at all. The new Intex Aqua smartphone runs on Android 5.1 Lollipop operating system. It comes with 8 GB of internal storage and you can increase the storage up to 32 GB with no issues at all. As per the battery is concerned, it comes with 4000 mAh battery which can deliver up to 500 on standby time and up to 15 hours of talk time. As per the price is concerned guys, the new Intex Aqua Power 2 smartphone comes with the price tag of 6490 in Indian rupees. I hope guys you all enjoy this video. If you have any query regarding the new Intex Aqua Power 2 smartphone, then guys feel free to comment below, and guys don't forget to hit on the subscribe button to get more cool videos on Android application, games and mobiles. And guys, thanks for watching.